Today, let's take a look at the procedure required to replace the Hood Ajar Switch on this 2003 Ford Escape. So you'll notice I've got the hood popped. Instead of using the actual prop rod, I've got a different rod here so I can open the hood up a little bit further, gain better access. But the Hood Ajar Switch is actually located in the right front corner of the vehicle. So hood open, you can see the washer fluid reservoir here, and the switch in question is mounted right behind it. Now I'm simply going to take my electric impact. You might use a ratchet with a 10mm socket. And it's nothing more than two different nuts holding this in place. So you remove the first one. Get the second one off there. Now it's going to allow me to gain access to the electrical connector. All I have to do is pinch a little tab, pull this back and release it. Now I can grab my new one. I'll start the nuts here by hand. Make sure they're not cross-threaded at all. Go ahead and tighten it down. No adjustments required. Just like that. Hopefully now you understand what it takes to replace the Hood Ajar Switch on a 2003 Ford Escape.